I have started learning Flutter 3 times. Quit in week 3 every time. What if my own history could warn me before I commit again? This is Echo Ledger, my Flutter Butler for the Serverpod Hackathon. Instead of, can I do this? It asks, what actually happened last time you tried something like this? It uses your past commitments to predict effort overrun when you usually drop off and how likely you are to regret it. No advice, no judgment, just evidence. Let's see it in action. Here you pick a user, a category like learning, and how many hours per week you think you'll spend. First, we need history. I will seed some demo data. That just created 3 past commitments in learning, with logs and reflections. Now we run a projection for user 1, learning, 5 hours per week. The backend looks at similar past commitments and computes how much you usually overran when you skipped weeks and how often you felt regret. Similar commitments, 3. Average overrun, approximately 47%, so 5 hours often became 7 plus. Drop off week and regret likelihood come from when you actually skipped and how you reflected. That's the core loop. Your history in, a friction projection out. It's Flutter for the UI and Serverpod 3 for the backend. Same Dart stack end to end. The projection logic lives in a Serverpod endpoint. It filters by category, aggregates logs and reflections, and returns the 4 metrics you saw. It's deployed on Serverpod Cloud, so the web app and API are both live. Echo Ledger doesn't judge. It confronts optimism with evidence. The most powerful insight comes from your own past. Try it now. Link and repo are in the submission.